Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset Windows 11 PC to factory settings. So imagine if your Windows 11 PC is not working properly, causing issues, or moreover you are planning to sell or gift your Windows 11 PC to someone else. Then in this situation the best solution is to reset your PC to factory settings, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to launch setting app, and for that you need to click on the start button and then select setting from the start menu. Here you need to select system on the left side, and then on the right side you need to scroll down and select recovery option. Under recovery options you will find this reset this PC option. Here you need to click on reset PC button. Now this will bring this window. Here you will find two options, keep my files, remove everything. As we want to perform a factory reset of Windows 11, we will go with this remove everything option. Now here you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Now again you will find two options, cloud download and local reinstall. If you select cloud download, the system will download the latest copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft servers and then perform system reset. The process will use more than 4 GB of data. On the other hand, if you select local reinstall option, then system will use the copy of Windows 11 available on your device locally. So I'll go with this local install option. Now we will get additional information about current settings. Click next. If you receive this message, ignore it. On this screen, you will get information about what will happen after resetting of Windows 11 completes. So this will remove all the personal files and user account on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs, reinstall Windows from this device, and you need to make note that this will take a while and your PC will restart. So you just need to click on this reset button. At this point, reset feature will start preparing the environment to start the reset process. Once the count reach 100%, your system reboot automatically. So after restart, you will be presented with the black screen with resetting this PC message. Once the process completes, your computer will start automatically. During the reset process, you need to make sure that your computer is on and plugged in. The process will take around 15 to 20 minutes, so you need to wait. To make this video short, I am just fast forwarding this whole process. Now you need to set up your device. Here select the right country. Now select the right keyboard layout. Now here you need to accept the terms. Here you can give your device a name, or you can skip if you want. I would like to set up for personal use. Here you need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Create a PIN. I would like to set up as a new device. Click next. You can manage these privacy settings for your device later also. I would like to skip. I would like to go with only save files to this PC. No thanks. Again, skip for now. So once your computer restart and take you to the Windows 11 home screen, the process to reset your Windows 11 PC to factory settings has been completed successfully. Now you can start using your PC, and I also presume that issues on your Windows 11 PC has been resolved. So that's all about this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you really like it, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.